Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have an exciting tutorial for you. We're going to show you step by step how to design a stunning logo using one of our favorite tools, Canva. Whether you're a small business owner, a content creator, or just looking to add a personal touch to your brand, this video is for you. So let's dive right in. First things first, if you haven't already, sign into your Canva account or create one. It's free. Once you're in, let's start by clicking Create a New Design and select Custom Dimensions to set up the perfect canvas size for your logo. Now, go to your favorite browser like Google Chrome. I'm gonna open Chrome and search Canva. Now click the first website. Click Sign up for free. Click Continue with Google for quick sign up. Now click your Gmail account or Google account. Now you're into Canvas dashboard. Now you will see here many options. Click the plus icon at the bottom of the phone. Click Create New option and click Logo icon too. Now you will show a dashboard on your screen. Here you'll find many templates for creating your own logos. Now I'm gonna click a logos template and edit it. You can customize the logo's name and logo icon. And there you have it. You've just created a professional looking logo right here in Canva. It's that easy. Remember, a great logo can make a lasting impression, so take your time and have fun with the design process. Thanks for joining us today on my channel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for awesome tutorials, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or want to share your logo design, feel free to leave a comment down below. Until next time, happy designing.